Welcome viewers, Dr. JWAU. Australia is irretrievable when everyday life started feeling unfamiliar. It wasn't one major event, it was 100 small moments that no longer felt quite the same. The morning commute became slower, finding a doctor's appointment took longer, the weekly grocery shop cost more than expected, roads that once felt manageable seemed permanently crowded, simple errands required planning. People adjusted without thinking. They left home earlier, they delayed appointments, they compared prices more carefully, they accepted waiting as part of ordinary life. Each change seemed too small to matter on its own. Together they quietly reshaped daily existence in Australia. Parents found themselves with less time for their children. Friends postponed catching up because everyone seemed busy surviving their own schedules. And weekdays became recovery periods instead of opportunities to reconnect. No one announced that life had become more complicated. No official milestone marked the transition. The recognition emerged through repetition. The ordinary stopped feeling ordinary, and what once felt temporary gradually became permanent. People no longer remembered exactly when they had stopped expecting things to improve. They simply learned to work around new obstacles. And that adaptation came with an invisible cost. Every adjustment consumed a little more time, a little more money, a little more energy, and a little more patience. Until one day, many Australians realised they spent more of their lives managing pressure than enjoying the country they believed they were building. And viewers, perhaps that is how profound national change often arrives. Not through dramatic moments that everyone recognises, but through countless ordinary compromises that become so familiar they are mistaken as normal. And by the time people recognise what has changed, they may already be living inside a completely different Australia. And that's why this series, Australia is Irretrievable, matters.